Toyota or Honda, two names everyone trusts. Everyone says they're bulletproof. But here is the uncomfortable truth. You are not just paying for the car. You are also paying a reliability tax, and it's real. And what if I told you that one of these two brands has a quiet history of transmission disaster and engine problems? I have spent some time on Reddit forums, auto-traded listings, reading what real owners say, not just brochure promises. Today I will break it all down for you, simply and clearly. Let's finally answer the question, Toyota or Honda, which one is actually more reliable? Let's start with Toyota. Their name is almost a shortcut for worry-free. And it's not hype, it's earned. Models like the Corolla, Camry and RAV4 often go 200,000 or even 300,000 miles with just basic service. Why? Because Toyota always chooses simple proven tech over risky new features. Instead of pushing out flashy engines, they refine what works, test it longer and fix problems before they hit the market. That's why their cars feel like tanks. But here is the catch, the reliability tax. Because everyone knows Toyota's last and used prices are high. Even a 10-year-old Corolla can cost more than newer Hyundai with better features. Are you getting what you pay for? Mostly, yes, but in some cases, a Mazda might give you 90% of the durability for 20% less money. And what about newer Toyota's 2020-24 models? Toyota continues its strategy of refinement over radical change. While they have introduced more hybrids, the core engineering philosophy remains. Expect solid reliability from these newer models, though it's still early for long-term used market data. The potential weak link might be the increased complexity of infotainment systems or advanced driver assist features, but serious mechanical issues are rare. They are still strong bets for future used car buyers, but expect that reliability tax to remain high. Guys, I know that many of you watching me not for the first time without subscription. Why? Just do it now, subscribe. Next, Honda, a fun ride, but watch your step. Honda has always been the choice for drivers who want something a bit more exciting. VTEC engines, sharp steering and a sportier feel, that's the Honda vibe. And yes, this Civic, Accord, CR-V, they are everywhere for a reason, they are good cars. But Honda has some skeletons in the closet. Let's go back to 1999 and 2004. Accords, Odysseys, Pilots, even Civics had automatic transmissions that failed early. Torque converter problems, weak clutches. Many of these died before 100,000 miles. Repairs cost money, and even today, those cars are risky buys unless the gearbox was replaced. And more recently, some 1.5 liters turbo engines for some Civic and CR-V of 2016-2018 had an oil issue where it mixed with fuel called oil dilution. This can wear out your engine early and cause expensive damage. It was improved in newer versions, but again, you need to know what you are looking for. From 2020 and up, Honda is pushing hybrid tech and more turbos. To be honest, too early to say how long they will last. But on Reddit and owner forums, a pattern is showing up. Modern Hondas need better servicing and more frequent maintenance to stay as reliable as their older siblings. And now head-to-head, who is really better? Engines. Toyota wins on simple, long-life powertrains. Their old 1.8 and 2.4 engines bomb-proof. Honda's VTEC engines are strong too, but those newer turbo engines mentioned before, more risk. Transmissions. Big win for Toyota. Their conventional autos rarely fail. Honda's older automatics were a mess, and some newer CVTs still have mixed reviews. Electronics both solid, but Honda gets slightly more reports of things like AC failures, infotainment bugs or Windows issues. Toyota's boring but solid. Formula means fewer electrical gremlins. Total cost of ownership. Toyota often costs more upfront. And that's the reliability tax. But in the long run, everyone decides for himself. You will probably spend less on big repairs. especially if you avoid newer heavy-tech models. Honda can be cheaper to buy, but if you pick the wrong year, one repair might wipe out the savings. To summarize, if you want something you can trust for 15 years with minimum drama, Toyota still wears the crown. But if you want more fun, more features, and you do your homework, Honda can be a great choice too. Found this helpful? Hit like and subscribe for more straight-up car advice that could save your money.